Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to send Bitcoin from Venmo to an external wallet. Start by opening the Venmo mobile app. Once you're on the home screen, look at the bottom right and tap on the crypto icon. It looks like a small C figure. This will take you to your crypto portfolio inside Venmo. Here, you'll see a list of all the cryptocurrencies you currently own. To send Bitcoin, tap on the Bitcoin option. It's marked with an orange logo and the label Bitcoin. After tapping Bitcoin, you'll see a chart showing the current price and history. To move forward with your transfer, tap on the directional arrows icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Before you can send Bitcoin to an external wallet, Venmo requires you to verify your identity. If you haven't done this yet, you will need to scan a government-issued ID and take a quick selfie. Once verified, you will be allowed to send crypto to outside wallets. This step only takes a few minutes. Now, tap on the Send button, which looks like a paper airplane icon. You will be asked to enter the Bitcoin wallet address that you want to send the Bitcoin to. Be very careful with this step. Always copy and paste the address from the person you're sending Bitcoin to. If even one character is wrong, the Bitcoin can be lost and cannot be recovered. After pasting the address, double-check it carefully. Once you're sure the address is correct, tap on the address that appears just below the entry field. Now choose how much Bitcoin you want to send. For this tutorial, you can try entering a small amount, especially if you're doing this for the first time. Once you have selected the amount, tap on the blue button labeled Review Transfer. On the next screen, you will see a summary of the transaction. This includes how much Bitcoin you're sending, the current Bitcoin to dollar exchange rate, and any transfer fees. Venmo will show you the total cost before you confirm anything. Keep in mind that Venmo currently has a minimum amount for sending Bitcoin to external wallets. If your Bitcoin balance is under the minimum, you won't be able to send it out. As of now, that minimum appears to be about $43, but it could change. If you're trying to send less than that, Venmo will not allow the transfer to an external wallet. Instead, you could send Bitcoin to another Venmo user directly within the app. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.